Stop before you invest in a Spring Hill off-the-plan apartment. This design secret could make or break your investment. In Brisbane's competitive inner city market, one factor determines whether your Spring Hill investment will thrive or dive, and most buyers miss it completely. It's not just location, it's not just price, it's design. A well-designed Spring Hill apartment works with our subtropical climate, capturing cool breezes, maximising natural light, and offering seamless indoor-outdoor living that Brisbane residents love. Imagine waking up to panoramic city views, stepping onto a spacious balcony, and feeling the gentle Brisbane breeze. Picture entertaining friends in an open-plan living area that flows effortlessly to an outdoor space, perfect for those balmy Queensland evenings. This isn't just about comfort, it's about smart investing. In Spring Hill, apartments with superior design command higher rents and better capital growth. Think spacious balconies with city views, open plan living, and quality finishes that stand the test of time. But beware, not all Spring Hill apartments are created equal. As your Spring Hill property expert, I've seen firsthand how design can make or break an investment. That's why I've created a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the off-the-plan market with confidence. Want to know all 20 critical things to check before buying off the plan in Spring Hill? I've created a free consumer awareness guide specifically for Brisbane's inner city market. Comment "guide" below and I'll send it to you. Don't invest in Spring Hill without it.